नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं वर्ल्ड फूड इंडिया में, जो कि हो रहा है भारत मंडपम में। इस एग्जीबिशन को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्रीज ने। हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस विद वर्ल्ड फूड इंडिया दिस टाइम?
It was the first time that we participated here, and the experience, it was very good. It was good. It had a lot of farmers, farm produce organizations, and other private players who came to our stall. So it was a good experience for us.
Tell me something about your company.
We are a grain dryer manufacturer from Taiwan. It is a 70-year-old company, and we have been successfully exporting to more than 50 countries all over the world, including Japan, Korea. Yeah.
And what are your future plans for expansion?
Future plans for expansion, we want to make some good channel partners in India, and then we want to approach all over India because it has a lot of scope in grains, for paddy, for dal, for maize, for seeds, and also for the food based like your onions, for garlic and other fruits and vegetables. Yeah, so it has a lot of scope in India.